Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 1.8, Problem 6. This is Section 1.8, Problem 6. It says 30 times what number is 720? So we have 30 times some number that we'll figure out is 720. So there are a couple of approaches that you can take to solving a problem like this. You can just start putting in numbers, and eventually you get the answer. 30 times 1 is 30. 30 times 2 is 60. 30 times 3 is 90. And eventually you'd get it, but that's not really a good method. It will work, but it's too tedious. So if I have 30 times something is 720, a better way to do it would do 720 and divide into 30. See how many times will 30 go into 720. That will give you the answer faster. The first method will work, but the second method is better. So 30 won't fit into 7. 30 will go into 72 twice. 2 30s is 60. Now I subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2. 7 minus 6 is 1. The subtraction is 12. That's a good answer because 12 is smaller than 30, so I picked the right number for the top. Now I bring down the next digit, which is a 0, put it at the end of the 12, so the 12 turns into a 120. And now 30 will fit into 120 how many times? Well, I can see it's 4. I'm kind of thinking of it as a 3 and a 12. And you can verify that. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 3 is 12. And when I subtract, the remainder is 0. It fits in evenly. So the answer is 30 times what number is 720? 30 times 24 is 720.